Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen, where we are showcasing the humble egg. Yes, eggs are awesome. They're used in everything from soups to salads to cookies and to guess what else? Cakes. So that's exactly what we're going to be cooking up today. We're going to be making a delicious lemon and thyme keto mug cake, and it's going to be delicious. And we're also going to make a cream cheese glaze to go with that. So anyway, enough jibber jabber from me, let's get cooking. So to make our mug cake, we're going to take 25 grams of almond flour, and to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of powdered erythritol. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of melted butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of full fat Greek yogurt, 1 whole egg, about a teaspoon of lemon juice, some lemon zest. Then I'm going to add in some thyme leaves, and you don't want to add too many because this can be quite a strong flavor. Hey guys, so I must confess I forgot to add baking powder to my mug cake, so make sure you add some of that. About a half a teaspoon will be fine. Anyway, give that all a good mix. Then make sure you taste your batter for sweetness and flavor. Mine needed a little more time, so I added a few more leaves in, gave it one final good mix, and then the batter was ready. So I poured out my batter into a ramekin because I just prefer making mug cakes in these rather than the mug. And then you pop this in the microwave for about a minute or a minute and a half. But I decided to bake my mug cake today, so I put it in the oven. And I made sure that I preheated my oven to 175 degrees Celsius. And this will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Anyway, after about 18 minutes, my mug cake was ready. And that looks pretty good already. And now while our mug cake cools down, I'm going to make the glaze. So for the glaze, I'm going to use 60 grams of cream cheese. To that, I'm going to add 60 ml of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of erythritol, a little bit of leftover lemon zest, a little vanilla extract, and then of course give it all a good mix. And that's it, the glaze is ready. Now once the cake has cooled down, we're going to pour that glaze right over it. And of course decorate it with a little fresh thyme. And oh yeah, that looks really good. I can't wait to taste it. But of course I got to show you what that cake looks like. So get a spoon out and well, get some of that cake, man, and put it in your mouth. Eat that cake. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright guys, so it's time to taste this really delicious looking lemon and thyme mug cake, and which is not made in a mug. And the macros and all the calorie information and all my tips and tricks will all be on headbangerskitchen.com. The direct link will be in the video description box just below this video. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Oh, that is lemony. And there's that very subtle hint of thyme. Oh. And it's a rich cake, guys. Like, yummy. Really good. I don't have anything to say. You go, you make, you show, you give feedback, you comment below. I'm just salivating and like drooling all over this cake. Allow me to wipe my face off camera. Anyway folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give the video the thumbs up and subscribe to Headbanger's Kitchen for more awesome keto recipes. Anyway, that's enough out of me. I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, if you were a mug cake, what mug cake would you be? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want another mug cake recipe, watch another one of my videos. And if you're interested in the music that you listen to on Headbanger's Kitchen, listen to a song of mine right here. Cheers.